Hello everyone, my name is Sintalira Arafa. My student number is 062. Today I want to present a book title is Teaching English Creatively. This book was written by Teresa Kramer and published in 2009 by Routledge. This book has 191 pages. The main purpose of this book is to help teachers and future teachers to understand that learning English does not always have to be stiff, monotonous, and not only focus on grammar. But this book, that teaching English is not only about helping students get good grades, but also about helping students can be confident in using English, be brave to speak English, think creative, and be creative. Summary of the book Teaching English Creatively talks about how to teach English in a more creative, active, and meaningful way. Learning English is not only about grammar, but also about how the student can learn creative through listening, speaking, writing, and reading. One of the biggest discussion in this book is about speaking and listening. Speaking and listening skills are the main foundation of learning English. The book explained that reading and writing float on a sea of thought. It means students can be creative through discussion, conversation, group work, storytelling, and oral interaction. Listening skills can also improve when students first develop good speaking skills. And the next point is storytelling. Storytelling can help students learn English naturally. When students listen to or tell a story, they do not only learn vocabulary and grammar, but they also learn to understand emotion, character, conflict, and how to express ideas more clearly and creatively. Some examples are storytelling, retelling story, and creating a new ending. Besides that, storytelling also helps students improve their fluency and pronunciation. The next book also discusses about drama and role play. Drama helps students use English more naturally. Through drama, students learn to use expressions, intonation, gesture, and vocabulary in more natural way. Drama does not only make the class more enjoyable, but it also helps students become more confident when they speaking English. Next, reading activity. Reading activity are made more active. Because of that, teachers are encouraged to ask students to discuss story character, predict the plot, connect the story with personal experience and other activity. The book also explains the importance of using literature such as fiction, traditional tales, and poetry. Fifth point is writing. Writing, students should not only focus on grammar and correct sentence structure, but the book also explains collaboration and group works. Language learning is a social process, so students need to learn with other people, not only work alone. In group activity, students learn to listen others' opinions, share ideas, solve problems together. The books explain that group work not only helps students improve their language skill, but also helps them develop social skills. And last, the book talks about reflection and feedback in creative learning. Creative is not only about creating new ideas, but also about evaluating and improving those ideas. Because of that, students need to learn how to reflect on their own work and accept feedback from teachers and classmates. Through reflection, students can understand the strength and weakness and become more aware of their own learning process. Now, I want to explain about three strengths of the book. First, the book is easily to apply. The book gives many real activity examples that can be directly used in the classroom. This book is very helpful, especially for education students or teachers who are often confused about finding interesting and non-monotonous learning activity. Because of the many practical examples, teachers can use the idea more easily in real teaching situations. Second, focuses on students and make learning more active. The approach in this book is very student-centered. Students can learn English more effectively when they are truly involved in the learning process. The activity encourages students to participate, share ideas, and communicate more actively in the class. Last point is help student creativity and more confidence. Through activities such as storytelling, drama, creative writing, and role play, students are trained to use their imagination and express their own idea. Because of that, this book creates a more supportive and enjoyable learning atmosphere. Students can also become more confident when using English. Weakness of the book. First, some methods feel too idealistic. Many activities are difficult to apply and need quite a long time. For example, drama activity and storytelling festival can be hard to do well when there are too many students, limited facility, and limited time. Because of that, some activity may not work effectively in every classroom situation. Second, the book requires teachers to be creative and active. The book expects teachers to create a classroom atmosphere that is active, flexible, and full of creative ideas. However, in reality, not all teachers feel comfortable using methods such as drama, storytelling, and improvisation, but maybe some teachers may more familiar with traditional teaching methods and feel challenges when managing creative classroom activity. The last is grammar discussion is not very deep because this book focuses on creativity. The discussion about grammar is not explained deeply. Teachers still need to add grammar exercise, so student grammar skills can continue to improve. Who is the book most suitable for? This book is most suitable for English education students, future teachers, elementary school teachers, and English teachers. Many education students usually only learn theories about teaching methods, but they still confused about how to apply them in real classroom. This book helps answer that problem because it gives many examples of classroom activity that can be practiced directly. Besides that, this book is also very suitable for future teachers and English teachers because it discusses lesson plans and teaching technique for learning language through fun and communicative activity. Okay, the last, I want to explain about benefit of reading this book. One of the biggest benefits of reading this book is that readers get many new ideas about how to teach English in a more interesting and effective way. This book helps teachers understand that language learning does not always have to focus on grammar and doing writing exercise. Helps teachers to understand how to make a student more confident when using English. And this book helps students who like more active learning so they can express their idea and become more active in the classroom. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. See you.